How to stop vision loss, top 3 skills. Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to tell you that you can improve your eyesight naturally and you can stop vision loss. Here's the top 3 skills which can really help you with your eyesight. First, you need to learn to listen to your body and feel the slightest fatigue and strain in your eyes and immediately give your eyes a rest. How to do this is very simple. Close your eyes for 10 seconds, walk around the room, look out at the window. This will help the eyes refocus into the distance and give eye muscles a rest. Second, recognize in yourself bad habits of poor eyesight and immediately begin to get rid of them. Third, start developing good habits of clear eyesight. If you don't have a good habits of clear vision, it will be very difficult to improve your eyesight naturally. But when the number of good habits becomes more than the number of bad ones, and it's even better that there are no bad habits at all, but there are many good ones, then your vision will automatically improve. Subscribe to my channel to improve your eyesight naturally.